Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Life Sciences. This is my second video. As in the first video I have shown you that how my channel got hacked, and because of the hacking and as they uploaded some irrelevant content which I don't know whatever they have loaded, because I myself have not seen what is the content, and because of that content my channel got terminated. Now I am going to share you some steps which you should change in your account so that your channel will remain safe from the hacking. So before start, I request you to make my previous video viral so that other YouTubers will be safe. Their account should not be hacked as I am suffering now. My channel got terminated. My viewers who was waiting for my next video will not get that. So I hope in this my new channel I will have the same subscription and same support, same love from you all. So without wasting my time, let's start and follow the steps which we need to protect our channel from hacking. First thing you need to do is that open your Chrome and go to the sidebar here and click on this icon. After clicking on this, what you will get, I have blackened my all the Gmail account and all, because I'm now very much afraid of the first, as I have got hacked my channel. So first thing what you need to do is that after drop down you need to go to the manage your Google account. Here you can see here manage your Google account. Click on this and then come to this page. This page will be popped out. After that you go to the security, click on the security. After clicking on it, what you will get, that you have your two password. Just below the password you have use your phone to sign in and two-step verification. The purpose of our the purpose is that we will be going to activate our two-step verification. So follow this step. So then click on, first we have to sign in our phone if you have not previously signed in to your Gmail account. So I am going to all steps. So now go to the use your phone to sign in. Now click on this. What you will get, this page pop out and go to the link here, set it up. Now click on this. You will get your email ID here popped out along with your password, whatever password you have. Then go to the next step. After next step you will be asked to what you need, your phone, or you want some to use your phone as a second setup, so that you can get a code or some signals that other one is getting sign in from their own system. So here I have used my phone and screen lock system too. Both things I am activating it. And suppose you have not added your account to your phone, then in that time you will be asked to add your account to the phone by going to your settings, phone settings. So you, on that time you need to go to your phone settings, and after that in your settings you will go to account, and that in account you will be adding your Gmail ID to your phone. After that we will go to the next step. This next step will be again to, it will be asked that get a feel or how you will sign into the Google account. So here your mail ID will be cross checked whether you are using the proper mail ID or not. Then go to the next, click on the next, and finally what you will get, a notification on your phone to unlock your phone. So it will look something like that. As I have a certain pattern on my phone, I draw that pattern. After opening that, after drawing that pattern, this page pops out in my phone. Like here it is said tap yes on the Google prompt to continue. So after clicking on the yes, you will finally get the page where you can turn on. Now turn it on again. Now again you have to repeat the same step. After this, now first step is completed. Come to the next step. Again go to the security by drop down button from here, and again in security you can see here that use your phone to sign in is completed. Now finally come to the two-step verification. Now click on this two-step verification. After that click you will get this. Now follow the commands here, get started. From here as my phone is been connected here, so it will show your phone, whatever phone you have, iPhone and other phone you will be having. So I'm having Motorola Moto G. So after that I will click on yes. After that, now you can choose some other option also, but as I have chosen option where I can get a code from the Google, and after putting that code only, anyone can, even myself cannot even able to sign in through the Google account until unless I will not put that code on that. Then now I will go to the try it now. Here you will be flashed your phone number which is connected to your account, and then I have chosen here text message. You can also choose phone calls, but I think text message is much more compatible, so I have used this. And then again I go to send, and after this you can see here Google just send a next message, text message with a verification code to here. Your mobile number which is got registered will be there, and after entering the code you just click on next. After clicking to the next, now your final step is that turn on the two-step verification. After turning on, you will get that your message or text message which you have opted is verified to this particular phone number which I have shared it out because of the security reason. And now finally you have completed the two-step verification. After this, what will happen? Even your account will be hacked, the hacker will not able to sign in until and unless you will not give this code to the hacker. So you will definitely, you are smart enough that you will not give this this code to the any hacker, or even if you get the call that you got the such code from the Google account, don't give this code to anyone. Be aware of that. And finally, after switching it on, what you will see in the security page, again you will see that two-step verification is on now. Now your account is completely secured of the hacker. Don't repeat the mistake which I have done. So if you have not yet verified your account by this two-step verification, kindly go to the step, do it, verify it, and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. I'm starting from the very beginning till my old account is not reactivated because of the hacking, and it got terminated because the hacker has uploaded some irrelevant content in that. So don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. I know that again I will get the same subscription, same love, same support from you all. Till then, goodbye. And in this pandemic condition of coronavirus, stay at home, keep on watching the online videos, and don't forget to learn the new things and stay safe.